My dear friends, have you ever thought how can one take time out for spirituality in today's busy lives? Like, how does one balance literally their work, family, health, and then have time for God? Well, I believe many of us face this question that how can we stay connected to our Guru when life pulls us in so many directions and the responsibility to provide for our families feels constant. Guru Angad Dev Ji answers this question for us through a Sikh named Pai Gujjar. So keep listening for Guruji's guidance. One day, in the holy congregation of Guru Angad Dev Ji, a Sikh named Pai Gujjar arrived. He was a blacksmith by profession and was being bothered by a question day and night. Now, after paying his respects to Guruji and having his holy glimpse, he finally asked his question. Guru Sahib Ji, I find myself immersed in work from the moment I wake until I close my eyes at night. My entire day is spent fulfilling my worldly duties, leaving me with no time or energy for bhakti, for worship, or for even joining the holy company, the Sangat. I long to sit in silence and meditate to connect deeply with Vaheguru. Yet, I feel trapped in this routine. You guide me, my Guru. Will I ever get salvation? Is it even possible for someone like me who has such a busy life? Guru Angad Dev Ji listened to his pleas and then gave him instructions. My dear friends, listen closely as Guru Sahib Ji gave him three teachings to live by that we also can apply to our lives. Angad Dev Ji instructed by Gujjar Ji by saying, start your day by reciting Japji Sahib. Do this with utmost consciousness so that full focus is on the words and their meaning. The blessings of Japji Sahib are great, but its true value is realized when you apply its wisdom to your daily life. Do this every single day and let Gurbani guide your actions and decisions, aligning your heart and mind with Guruji's teachings. Guruji then further said to him, Pai Gujjar, always help those in need and serve selflessly. Remember, whenever a person in need or a saint comes to your door, welcome them with an open heart and serve them as you would serve the Guru. Never take what belongs to another. Instead, be a light for others, sharing Almighty's love and wisdom wherever you go. The third teaching that Guruji gave him was set aside a portion of your earnings for the Guru's house so that the blessings of your hard work may reach the needy and support the spread of Sikhi. In giving selflessly, you not only uplift others but also bring yourself closer to Vaheguru, as mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 1245. काल खाए किछ हथों दे नानक राह पछाणै से, meaning one who works for what he eats and gives some of what he has, he only knows the true path. Guruji then further said, throughout the day focus on the recitation of Naam so that it becomes embedded in your mind and soul. With each breath, let the remembrance of Vaheguru fill you with strength and peace by Gujjar. And lastly, whenever you have a quiet moment, turn your mind to Guru's teachings, allowing them to guide you through life's challenges and responsibilities. By living this way, Pai Gujjar, you honor the Guru's hukam and prepare your soul for liberation. Bhai Gujjar ji bowed to Guru Angad Dev Ji with respect. And after this, being a faithful and devoted Sikh, he started following Guruji's hukam with his whole heart every single day. He would get up early, do Japji Sahib's part, and tried to incorporate its meaning into his life. He helped everyone who came to his door and saved a portion for the needy. Friends, through Bhai Gujjar ji's example, Guru Angad Dev Ji shows us how to find peace, purpose, and a deeper connection with the divine, even amidst the demands of daily life. They light the way to connect with Vaheguru and uplift those around us, guiding us towards inner peace and fulfillment.